So far you've learned that the area under a curve, or the area between the curve and the x-axis, can be found by integrating that curve. Let's imagine that's this green curve. So this is the area where this is f of x between my points A and B. So my area is between A and B of my function f of x with respect to x. Now if I wanted to find the area between this curve and let's say another curve, a curve like this for argument's sake, then what I could do is I could subtract my orange space from my green space. Now the area under my orange space is between A and B, and let's call this curve g of x dx. So therefore the total space between the two curves, and I'll colour that in yellow, is the difference between my green space and my orange space. So the area between the two curves is the integral between A and B of the top curve minus the bottom curve with respect to x. Now it's always worth keeping in mind that the area needs to be the top curve minus the bottom curve. If you get these two confused or around the other way, what you'll find is the area will come out to be negative. And the way around that is you use those handy little modulus lines, which are those let's make everything in between these lines positive, to be able to not have to redo all your work, but what they do is they take away that negative value. So in this way we can find the area between two curves by using both equations. It is worth keeping in mind though that we don't always have to leave these expressions as being separate. So for example, if fx was 3x squared, for argument's sake, plus 4, and if g of x was x squared plus 1, then my area between the two curves, between A and B, would be f of x, 3x squared plus 4, minus g of x, which is x squared plus 1, all with respect to x. Remember our correct writing, which would be 2x squared plus 3 dx. So I don't need to integrate two separate expressions if I can collect like terms in the integral sign. This way it makes things a little bit easier for us. If you found this or any of my other videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel or like the video. Thanks.